A great deal of repairs that need to be done so that this village can be stopped from being cut in two, in a sense. So that big chunk of bridge falling into the water there happened just before 5 o'clock, so nearly an hour ago now. So an ancient bridge in the centre of Tadcaster in North Yorkshire there collapsing into the River Wharfe.
Down here at the club, the people that have been here much longer than me say that they've experienced it bad, but nowhere near as bad as this. The support from Tadcaster Albion fans is superb, but not just Tadcaster fans, but people have travelled from all over to come today. We've had people from different aid agencies come in to support as well. We've had some people from Rubicon helping, people that are currently serving in the armed forces and ex-armed forces are down. It's superb. Mums, children, dads, granddads, they're all here helping out. It's fantastic. With the strength of everybody here, we're gonna really try and make it happen.